Hello everyone, welcome to my video. So for today's video, I'm going to explain the cooling system, parts and function. So we have here a video of cooling system parts and function. So a cooling system have radiator cup, water pump, and thermostat, as well as the cooling fan, and it contains coolant, radiator hose, and temperature sensor. For we have here the radiator. So for radiator, the radiator removes the excess heat from the engine coolant by transferring it to the surrounding air. So siya yung nagme-maintain nung engine operating temperature para ma-prevent niya yung pagkakaroon ng overheating. Next naman is yung radiator cap. Yung radiator cap naman, siya yung nagsisil dun sa cooling system para ma-maintain yung pressure dun sa loob. And ito rin yung nag-i-increase ng pressure to the boiling point ng coolant para ma-improve yung kanyang cooling efficiency. Next, we have the water pump. Yung water pump naman is siya yung nagsisirculate ng coolant throughout the engine and cooling system. It ensures a continuous coolant flow to absorb and carry the engine heat. Next is a thermostat. Thermostat, ito yung nagre-regulate ng flow ng coolant between engine and the radiator. Ito yung nagsasara dun sa engine kapag malamig na yung engine at binubuksan naman niya yun kapag nare-reach niya na yung kanyang operating temperature. And meron din siyang cooling fan. Ito yun. Yung cooling fan naman, ito yung nagbibigay ng hangin dun sa radiator para ma-dissipate yung kanyang heat niya from the coolant. So, palagi nating binabanggit yung coolant. Ano nga ba yung coolant? Coolant, ito yung liquid mixture na nag-absorb ng heat from the engine at nagta-transfer yung coolant na yun to the radiator para ma-prevent yung freezing or yung boiling, as well as yung rust and corrosion within the cooling system. Meron din tayong radiator hoses. Ito naman yung nag-carry ng coolant between the engine and the radiator. Meron din tayong temperature sensor. Temperature sensor naman, ito yung nagmo-monitor dun sa temperature of the engine coolant. Siya yung nagsisend ng information dun sa ECU or yung engine control unit. At makikita yun dun sa dashboard temperature gauge para ma-prevent yung pagkakaroon ng overheating. So, ito yung flow ng coolant. So, from water pump to engine water jacket to thermostat and to radiator to cooling fan and back to water pump. So, yung process na yon is continuously nire-remove niya yung excess heat from the engine para ma-maintain yung safe operating temperature. Thank you. That's all for the coolant system.